come across this message, it's not a coincidence. I feel like there's a very positive shift taking place in your life right now. Okay, there's a huge shift happening in your life right now. As I'm saying this, there's a yellow butterfly flying by, and if you've seen my videos before, you know that when I see a yellow butterfly, that's blessings coming in, that's miracles coming in. A new earth, 444, is significant to this message. A new earth is the card that's coming out. It's happening. Keep holding the vision. I feel like you have a vision on what it is, on something that you're desiring to manifest, something that you're, the momentum, okay. The momentum is rapidly picking up around something that you are manifesting. Something that you have been aligning your vibration with to become a vibrational match and have it crystallize in your material world. You are probably somebody who understands Abraham Hicks teachings. If you don't, I recommend going to check them out. There's a playlist that I have on my YouTube. So my YouTube is linked on my website, or it's in my link tree. Everything is in my description. But I have a playlist that I save Abraham Hicks videos to help you begin to really understand the vibrational reality versus and how it becomes a physical reality. But if you've come across this, you are probably somebody who is understanding that concept or beginning to understand that concept. Spirit is saying that there is a very positive shift taking place in your life, where the things that you've been holding the vision for and doing the inner work to align to, emotionally, mentally, vibrationally, it's now physically crystallizing in your reality. And as I'm saying this, the yellow butterfly is back again, which is a confirmation. Okay. Yellow butterflies, 444. Okay. Okay. There are so many things that are being shifted through. It's like you can't see what Spirit is doing in the unseen realms to align you with this for you to receive this. Whoa, I have full body chills. Okay. Okay. On the back of this, we have the cosmic heart. Devotion, potency, make your life a moving prayer. I feel like as you're moving through this time right now that you're in your life, over the next couple of weeks, make it really sacred. Yeah, I have full body chills. Whoa, my crown chakra. So this is a deep opening of your crown chakra and an anchoring into the root. Like the divine downloads, the visions that you're getting. Third eye chakra, anchoring it down into the root chakra for it to be physical in your life and in your body. Okay? And at this time, move slow is what Spirit is saying, and make your life a living prayer. Devote your time each day to make it sacred. Life's what you make it, so let's make it sacred. Let's celebrate it, come in everyone. You decide, 'cause life's divine, and it's what you make it. So let's make it sacred. I channeled that song years ago. That's Hannah Montana. Life's what you make it. Let's make it sacred. This time period that you're in, this transition that you're in, slow down. Be with Spirit. Be with yourself. Be with your soul as much as you can. The divine downloads are going to be coming through for what actions for you to take for it to physically crystallize in your world. It's a delicate dance with the divine, is what they're saying. And it's all happening in divine time. I feel like you're going to be called to different places around the world. Activated earth, power places, ley lines. Trust where you're being led. Trust where you're being led. There's a beautiful shift taking place in your world, is what they're saying. So make this time sacred. You might be called to different places, like different parks randomly. I'm at a park right now. You might be called to different, yellow butterfly as a confirmation, yellow butterfly, okay. You might be called to different parks, to do different things, to go different places. You might be called to move. You might be called to travel, to go places. Listen to the inner nudge from the heart and the soul. Yeah. There's a lot of love here for you as well. Yellow butterfly again as I'm saying that. There's a lot of love here for you. I was saying that there's a lot of love here for you because a couple just walked by. So feel the love from Spirit. Feel the love from the divine. You are on your highest timeline, and this is confirmation for you. If you want to dive deeper in your own personal reading, my books are currently open. So if you would like to book a session, go check that out on my website. I would be honored to hold that space with you if you want to dive deeper in your own private reading. All right, I love you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.